The course has actually taught me the technical aspect of storytelling. How do you prepare yourself for a performance? What are the preparations which are not generally seen or noticed by people, but you have to be prepared. As a storyteller, you must know them and be ready with it. So yes, professionally now I can say that I am much more ready. I know the technical part of it. It was just a 10-day course, and at the end of it today, I'll be very honest, I've never felt so connected with a mentor ever, like someone who's been teaching me for years. What I feel for Priyanka ma'am, she like the backbone throughout. Her passion and her honesty towards her profession and storytelling is absolutely bang on visible throughout, because she's very selfless when she's giving it out to you all. You immediately come to know she doesn't hide anything from you. She's just there. She lays it, and you can just pick up the phone anytime and call her, and she will be there to help you out, give an honest, straightforward opinion, and be there as a mentor, as a guide, and never lets you down. So I had my personal flaws, my moments where I did make silly mistakes, but I was never let down. She pointed out those points. Also, those points were also pointed out in a very respectful manner. Once again, showing and reflecting her passion to what she does. So it's very evident that she loves what she does, and that just comes out in her teaching, and that makes learning even more interesting for us, and the connection, we emotionally get connected to our learning. So yes, she's amazing.